So for our ongoing class, we're learning the 2-5-1 chord progression. Now, by ear, in the key of C, and we've determined that it's the 2 minor is a D minor, 2 a G7, the 5 chord, 2, it gets resolved with that 1 chord, the C. So this is a chord substitution for the G7, for the 5 chord. Let's do it first without doing that substitution, so we have something to compare with. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb, G7, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Okay, very nice. Now let's add that chord substitution with a D minor to the G7. Here we go. Mary had a little lamb, D minor, little lamb, G7, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow.